Let's create a new one from scratch. I love reading white papers. So let's head over to the AWS Whitepaper website and grab a white paper. So I've already done this. I actually came here and grabbed the AWS overview. I want to understand all the services that AWS has to offer. This overview of AWS Web Services, this document. So I've downloaded this document and then I've shared it to my physical device. So what I'll do is I'll click on this button and then I'll select the document. But before selecting the document, I'll just like to give a name of that folder. So I'll call this AWS over Services Overview. Click on this. And this is the document. So I'll click on it and the ingestion pipeline will start. The document has finally been broken down into chunks, and those chunks have been converted to vector embeddings, and those vector embeddings have been saved into the vector database. Let's go ahead now and work with the document, go back and forth with it and see how we can understand it. Also, as you can see, we have a new folder here. It's called AWS Services Overview. So for the first step, now I want to play with the document a little bit. This is another view of the document where it just shows us the study hub. You can delete it or you can query the document. If it's in this mode, you bring it up as a bottom modal. So query the AWS services document, and here I would like to say summarize 10 AWS services mentioned within the AWS overview doc. And I'll hit search. And here I want you to take note of the thinking. Yeah, the thinking process. And now it's generating the response. This is great. We can fold this thinking.